Alright, if you're trying to eat healthy, not just vegan, but whole food, plant-based, what's the best thing to eat for breakfast? Well, definitely it's oats. And you want to get these, we've got a couple brands here, steel cut oats. The larger the pieces, the better, and the steel cuts are almost the biggest pieces. I think there's another version of these that's even bigger. But the larger the pieces, the harder it is to cook. Like on this one, I've made this before, and oh, that's not it. But it basically says you can use this ratio of 1/2 cup to 2 cups of water, and it takes about 25 minutes to cook. Now this one doesn't say that. It says prepare overnight by soaking. Okay, I'm not going to do that. I'm going to do this about, again, simmer 20 to 25 or 30 minutes after it reaches a boil. And the same ratio, this is 1 cup of oats to 4 cups of water or milk, but I'll do water. But that's what I'm going to use. I'm going to use 1 cup for me. That's a lot of oats. You probably only need 1/2 cup or 1/4 cup like it says. But that's the first thing you want to do is add in the oats and water and bring it to a boil. So we got almost 1/2 cup out of this one, a little bit more than 1/2 cup out of the other one, and get organic if you can. You definitely want to eat organic whenever you can. That's just my recommendation also. And since I don't have my own water purification system, I add distilled water. 4 cups is the purest water you can get. I know it's not the most environmentally friendly, but I don't have any type of amazing purification system, which is what you really need to ensure the best health. I would never drink anything out of the tap. I don't care where you're getting it from. It's just, again, my opinion. Yeah, don't drink that tap water. And I will leave the cover on and just bring it up to a boil and then stir it. And then once it does that, then we got 25 minutes to cook. My salad master is now telling me that it's just about time when this thing pops like this. There we go. Yeah, it's boiling. Gotta stir it. Actually, I don't even need to stir it. I'm just gonna leave the cover on. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna leave the cover on. I'm gonna turn it way down because I have a salad master. Normally you'd leave it uncovered, but this thing is so efficient. I can just turn it way down like that and then put the timer on for, let's see 23 minutes. Let's do that. 23 minutes, way down low, should be good, and we'll check on it every so often. Okay, you can see how thick it is now. Look at that. Okay, you can see how thick it is. Yeah, a little bit is stuck to the bottom. I haven't had to stir it at all though. There's still a little bit of water, and we did it 20 minutes instead of 25, so we'll just give it like an extra 5 minutes, I think, at this low heat. And after stirring, we should be ready to go. Actually, just 3 minutes, I think. 3 minutes will do it. Alright, this looks like it might be done. You don't want it totally dried out, but it still might be a little too watery because we did use water and not milk. I've never used milk. Anybody use milk? Let me know in the comments. But let's give it another couple minutes. It still has too much liquid in there. There we go. Now I don't see much liquid. There's some liquid. It's smooth, but I don't think there's extra. It'll still dry up a little bit. It'll still absorb more liquid as it cools. So I think this is good. And it took almost a half hour, as you can see. It takes a while to make this stuff, but like I said, this is the healthiest stuff for you. If you have an instant pot, maybe there's another way to do it. Let me know in the comments. And aside of this, you just want to flavor it. If you want to, like with maybe some agave or cinnamon or things like that. Try to use whole food plant-based stuff if you can. And this, like I said, this is the best breakfast you can possibly make. I'm cleaning out my pot. You can hear it filling with water. And that looks really good. And make sure you clean out your stuff right away. This stuff hardens on there fairly quickly, and it becomes somewhat difficult to remove. But just definitely wash the pot out.